Most traders treat trading like a guessing game, but I've seen a small group of traders treat it like a system. And the difference between the two is the difference between stress and consistency. It's like having two traders in the same market. One is reacting to every candle, and the other is executing a plan without even looking at the chart all day. I only understood this after years of watching traders and building systems that remove the hardest part of trading, execution. So today, I'm going to share 5 shifts that make manual trading feel outdated. And the last one, that's the one that changes everything. The first shift is called the mirror problem. When you stand in front of a mirror, it shows exactly what you are. No filter, no emotion, just reality. But in trading, your mind is not a mirror. It's a storyteller. Let's say price goes above your level. Your system says take the trade, but your mind says, wait, what if it reverses? Let me confirm. Maybe I'll enter later. By the time you decide, the chance is gone. Your strategy was correct. Your execution was not. This is the mirror problem. You are not seeing the market, you are seeing your emotion. And this is exactly why systems exist. With Quantman, you don't rely on your mind in that moment. You define your rules once, and the system executes it like a mirror. No fear, no delay, just action based on logic. But solving execution alone is not enough because your next problem is bigger. The second shift is called the speed gap. There's a simple truth about markets. Chances don't wait. Imagine a door that opens for 5 seconds. If you walk fast, you pass through. If you think too much, the door closes. That's exactly how breakouts work. Manual traders see the move, then think, then confirm, then enter. And by the time they act, the move is already done. Humans are built to think. Markets reward speed. This gap is where most money is lost. But a system doesn't think, it reacts instantly. With Quantman, the moment your condition matches, the trade is executed. No hesitation, no missed chance. And over time, this small difference in speed creates a big difference in result. But even speed is not the real problem. The third shift is called the consistency illusion. Most traders believe they are consistent, but if you look closely, they are not. Some days they follow their rules, some days they don't. Some days they stop after 2 trades, some days they take 10 trades. Same strategy, different behavior. That means their results are not based on logic, they are based on mood, and mood changes every day. This is why manual trading feels unpredictable, not because the market is random, but because execution is inconsistent. A system removes that variation. Quantman doesn't wake up with fear. It doesn't feel greedy after profit. It doesn't take revenge trades. It executes the same way again and again. And that's how consistency is built. Not by trying harder, but by removing emotion. Now here's where it gets interesting. The fourth shift is called the control illusion. Most traders believe they can control the market. They try to predict every move. They change indicators. They adjust settings. They jump between strategies because they think, if I find the perfect setup, I'll win. But here's the truth. You cannot control the market. You can only control your execution. And the more you try to control the market, the more confused you become. This is why traders keep changing things after every loss. But systems don't chase perfection. They rely on data. With Quantman, you can test your strategy. You can see how it performed in the past, what kind of drawdown to expect, what kind of consistency it has. So instead of guessing, you decide based on data, and slowly your confidence shifts from hope to clarity. But even this is not the biggest shift. The fifth shift is called the energy trade. Every day, you wake up with limited energy, limited focus, limited patience. Manual trading consumes all of it. Watching charts, reacting to every candle, fighting your own emotions. By the end of the day, you are not just tired, you are drained. And when you are drained, your decisions get worse. But a system changes this completely. When execution is handled, you don't spend your energy reacting. You spend it improving, thinking, building better strategies. Quantman doesn't just automate trades. It gives you back your mental space. And that's where the real shift happens. Because trading is not about taking more trades. It's about taking better decisions consistently. Manual trading makes you reactive. Systems make you structured. And in the long run, structure always beats emotion. So the real question is not manual versus algo. The real question is, do you want to keep reacting or do you want to start executing? Because in the end, the market doesn't reward effort, it rewards discipline. And discipline is easier to follow when it is built into a system.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.